So it's getting to be cold outside, and I figured I would share a helpful fall/winter recipe to help keep you warm through the winter. It's squash soup, butternut squash soup to be exact. To make it, you will need onions, carrots, celery, a squash, of course, and some sweet potatoes. First, start by peeling your carrots and your sweet potatoes, as well as the squash. Now, the squash, you can't really use a regular old potato peeler on. You need to actually use a knife, as the skin is a little bit woody. After you peel your squash, cut it up into rings about 2 to 3 inches thick, and then quarter them into about 1-inch cubes. Same with the potato, do it into about 1-inch chunks. Dice your onion very well, and cut the carrot in roughly the same size, about 1-inch little chunks. Place that all into a bowl. Next, normally what you would do is cook all the vegetables in. However, to make this recipe just a little bit better, we decided to cook it in bacon fat. So what we did is took 1 pound of bacon, defrosted it, then cut the bacon up into about 1-inch chunks, just chunking the whole package, cooking the bacon inside the stock pot we were going to use. Take the bacon out after it reaches a nice crispy texture. Leave a little bit of oil in the bottom. Then add all your vegetables in and let them wilt a little bit. Probably takes about 10 minutes or so. After that, get a sprig of nutmeg, a handful of salt, and a little bit of cracked pepper, and a bay leaf. Grind the nutmeg into the soup mixture, the vegetable mixture, and also add the 2 bay leaves and the salt and pepper. After that, add 1 box of chicken stock and let simmer for an hour. After that hour's up, get a stick blender and a container of half and half or heavy cream. We used half and half. And slowly pour the half and half in roughly about half a cup. Slowly add that in while using the stick blender. Mash up all the vegetables until it reaches a very evenly pureed consistency. Serve in a bowl topped with bacon bits.